Hello. Sorry?
You cannot bike on board?
I cannot bike. Okay,
No,
I do
so you
walk.
have to
It's
walk
fine.
and all the way out to the other end.
There.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Hello. Yes, thank you.
Enjoy. We are arriving to Oslo, and it's raining. It's gonna be raining, I think, the entire time. So I guess I'm gonna need all those things. Now the rain is more like a drizzle, so I'm sort of excited about it. But hopefully it's not gonna get heavy, or maybe we're gonna see some sunny days. I made it to Oslo. So far, so good. We had a bit of drawback. I forgot a few things back at home, but there weren't nothing serious. Everything worked out. But I'm facing the first challenge of the trip. I booked my ticket, my train from Oslo to Trondheim through a third-party company that I mentioned to them that I have a bicycle, but apparently they didn't see it, or they ignored it, or what, I don't know. I just found out that it was reservable. I could have reserved it, but since I reserved it through the third party, it didn't work out. They didn't do it. And I just went to a train station and I asked them. They said it's fully booked. There is no place available. So I'm gonna have two choices tomorrow. I'm gonna go to the train station. Either they're going to let me just put my bike somewhere if they're nice, that would be great. Otherwise, I'm going to have to open my tires, disassemble my bicycle, and then put it in a rack, which is not going to be great because I have all those equipment on top. I don't have a proper wrap to put my bicycle safely in a rack. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go there and ask nicely. And it's very early in the morning, and I gonna have the train going to arrive 10 minutes before the departure. So I'm gonna have 10 minutes to do all those things that I said. Disassembling the bike, it's going to be a mess, but wish me luck.